grab it. Huh?
My dad messed up my brain.
What do you mean? No.
Motorcycle?
Grab our knife. Grab our knife. I can't drive with 0 hands. I can't drive with 0 hands.
Yes, you can.
No, I can't.
Dude, are you serious? You can't do that. You can't do that.
I can drive with 1 hand though. Hi guys. Hey guys! Hurry! 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 Blue. Oh. What? What? Yeah, she's Sonic! Yeah, she's Sonic! I swear your bike does sound like a motorcycle. What are you doing? I have no clue what she's doing. No clue. Is that a real one?
Yeah.
Well, I'm leaving. Continue this video that you've not been in so long. Want to continue a video you have not been in. This is my neighborhood. My neighborhood. My neighborhood. The lovely cars. Wow! The lovely drivers. Ooh. The lovely everything. The lovely truck. See if you stop. Nope. Who is that? Look at that! Here's your foot! Let's go. Go home, dinner. Go up a bump, you'll slow down. Or go on the grass. Go on the grass, yeah. Hold on, guys, we're gonna be standing up. What? Okay, if you want to slow down, see? There's Jenna. There's Jenna.
You want to go really fast and not stop?
You're going to flip off. I'm not going as fast as I'll go. Oh, snap-a-doodle-doo. Okay, her bike sounds like a motorcycle. Use your foot. Or use the grass. Let's go, guys. Go to Jenna's house. Boop, boop, boop. 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 Oh. Hi.
Look at that. What's that?
Where's that?
I don't know. I lost them. They were just inside the road.
Did you pick it up?
No. I was gonna tell you. I went to turn around and
Okay. He said we need to get you new brakes. I said she needs a new bike.
Hi.
Dude,
Where
you been?
My mom's.
Why?
Because it's where I go for the summer.
We miss you.
look at
I know you got like
five.
fuzzy hair. You got a phone?
Yeah. My dad's. He got a Samsung Galaxy S5. So he just gave me this
I
one.
dropped my phone.
Is it, like, can you call people?
Yeah, but it needs minutes.
Oh, so you can take videos and stuff?
Yeah, I have a YouTube channel.
You do?
Yeah.
You have your own?
What? Yeah.
What's it called? Gary?
Bryant. I didn't figure out how to name it. Try to even do a picture, but I don't know how to do that either.
So what's up, dude? We haven't seen you. We missed you. She hasn't even, she pretty much has not played outside all summer. She doesn't know what to play with.
And the inside girl. I haven't seen Sam in a long time. Did you ever see Sam too?
We're going to be going to Grandma's.
Can I just go down there and check?
Yeah, but how am I going to stay? How am I going to know if you're down there?
I'll go down there and I'll come back up and try to come back with you.
So how long are you here for?
No, he ain't gonna let me.
How long are you here for?
I'll be back.
Till school starts.
You were there. What did you go for your mom for like a month?
Went there till July.
Yeah. And I'm here. So I thought your mom and your dad were what's her face and your dad were getting divorced.
Yeah, he already paid for divorce, but they got back together.
So they got divorced?
Yeah.
So they're legally divorced, but now that he's back.
Yeah, they're back together.
Oh gosh. That was dumb. That was a waste of money.
He said this time it was permanent. That's what he always says.
You're crazy.
No, I'm not joking.
Yeah, we missed you.
That's what he always says.
Yeah, because we break up all the time. So then where did he live when he wasn't staying here?
With his brother-in-law with me.
Oh yeah. So you're at your mom's, now you're back?
Yeah.
Now you don't have someone to play with. Hi, Gary. Are you doing a video?
Yeah.
Oh, yes.
You're going to be all over YouTube.
Great. That's what I want.
Putting your car on YouTube too. Putting your house on YouTube.
What did you do for the 4th of July? Anything?
Fireworks.
Where at?
Lake. With my mom.
What lake?
I don't know. It was with my mom.
Oh. So what grade are you going to be in? 4th? 3rd?
Yeah. I'm in 2nd. I was in 2nd.
Are you going to Jane Addams again?
I don't know. I might go to Roosevelt.
Oh yeah, because this changes to Roosevelt.
I didn't go for the field trip, so I don't know if I might or something.
Yeah, because they're going to change these houses to Roosevelt.
They're not changing the
Well,
houses.
the boundaries are going to change to Roosevelt.
I don't know if I'm
But
going.
Jenna gets to go to Jane Addams because she's going to be in 5th grade. So she
So-
gets to stay there.
Don't
But you're
you?
probably going to know a lot of people if you have to go to Roosevelt. You're probably going to know a lot of people because a lot of kids from Jane Addams are going to have to go to Roosevelt.
I know some of my classmates are.
Yeah. Yeah, but you know what? Your school's air conditioned.
What does that mean?
It's air conditioning.
What?
When
What
it's hot
school?
out, Roosevelt
Oh, what?
has air conditioning.
So does Jane Addams?
No. Remember how hot it would get? Yeah, not at Roosevelt.
Wow.
But you know what that means?
Hmm.
When they cancel school because it's too hot to go, you still have to go. Because you have air conditioning.
Stinks.
Yeah, but you won't be
I still won't go.
You want to be sweating your little balls off.
I still won't go. I'll just stay in bed with my fan on.
Oh, yeah. Well, you guys have air conditioning over there. Stupid flies.
That's the end of this video. It's already been 10 minutes.